lang. Nagkaroon ako ng blood room.
Blood?
Door 1 pa lang ha. Door 1. It's only door 1. And I got already a blood room. Look. It's door 1. Bro, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky.
Ano yan? Gulat ka. Ano yan?
Bro, I'm so lucky. I just got blood room in room 1. Whew! What kind of chance is this? Look at this, no? This is my first time. I already got blood room. This is the most rarest thing of my life. In room 1, I already got Jack. Okay, I'm going to room 2 now. I'll see you again. Or I don't know. Oh, I'm so lucky that I got blood room in first door.
Wala na, nagulat ka.
Si Jack. Doon yung sa closet, yung open mo pa lang, may lalabas na face.
Ang sura. Ano
Yan. Yung nakangiting ano. Yung nakangiti sa closet. Yung palang may magagawa siya ng jumpscare. Sorry if I have bad graphics in FPS.
Sabi natin, Daisy. Wait.
I'm sorry for recording it too late. Latsa coins. If I didn't open that door, I swear, I don't get lucky. I was just going to find Red, but I don't, because I was too lazy.
What?
So, I tried to open the door.
Ano si Papa Chingchong?
Umalis na nga.
Sabi na po kayo.
Hindi. Hindi ko nakita eh. Ba't ako magiging sad? Ikaw sad ka ba? Huwag natin gamitin yan, mamamatay ako. New paintings. No, this is good.
Ay, luma ng door? Pwede?
Lumang doors.
Yung luma door?
I'm so lucky. I'll never forget that. I'll never forget. Ah, it's 16, right? It's 16, right? I don't know. I forgot. Is it 16?
Bago ako natulog. Nagkanto ako eh. Yung pusa, nag-away sila. Pusa. Nagdikit.
Ambush!
Ha?
Door 20?
Si Ambush? Ano saan napupunta?
Really? Yeah. I'm so lucky. I got ambush in door 20 and got Jack in door 1.
Nice.
Nah, he done. Yep, I'll see you guys later if I got news. Bye bye.